Did you know that over 70% of iPhone 16 users haven't discovered half of what this device can do? What if I told you there are features you've never even thought could exist on a phone? Stay tuned as we unlock the insane features of the iPhone 16 that will blow your mind. Welcome back to Tech Lab HQ. Today, we're diving deep into the iPhone 16, a gadget not just for calls and texts, but a powerhouse packed with groundbreaking features that elevate the entire smartphone experience. Many users pick up their new iPhone 16 and use it just as they did their old phone. But what if I told you there's a whole treasure trove of features lying undiscovered? Today, we're going to break down those hidden gems that could revolutionize how you use your phone daily. Let's start with the Spatial Alert System. Gone are the days of missing notifications when your phone is on silent. Your iPhone 16 subtly uses spatial audio to guide you to where your notifications are coming from. Next, the Dynamic Island isn't just an aesthetic upgrade, it's a functional tool that interacts with apps in real time. And there's more! With adaptive battery learning, your iPhone learns your charging habits to optimize battery health over time. Imagine not having to worry about battery wear just because your phone knows when to slow down charging. Moving on, experience unparalleled clarity with environmental sound tuning. Whether you're in a cafe or on a busy street, your iPhone auto-adjusts the audio for calls and media, ensuring crystal clear sound anytime. And don't forget the AR Quick Look. Point your camera at a restaurant or a historical marker and instantly see detailed augmented reality overlays with useful info right before your eyes. Here's the game changer: real-time language translation directly from the lock screen. Planning a trip to Spain or ordering from a French website? Just point your iPhone at the text and bam! Instant translation without even unlocking your phone. We've just uncovered some incredible features of the iPhone 16, from spatial alerts to dynamic island functionalities, adaptive battery learning, environmental sound tuning, and AR Quick Look, not to mention the groundbreaking real-time translation. These are just the tips of the iceberg in improving your daily digital interactions. Which of these features surprised you the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane tech breakdowns. Check out our other videos for more insights into the latest gadgets. Catch you in the next one.